There had been many researchers found that this particular spice, a commonly used spice in Asia region, that it hold a secret weapon against one of the world's deadliest diseases. Yes, we're talking about a remarkable Asian spice that, backed by many scientists, say can help kill cancer cells. Stick around to find out what it is, how it works, and how you can incorporate it into your meals. The spice we're talking about today is none other than turmeric. This golden root has been a staple in Asian cooking and traditional medicine for centuries, but recent research has uncovered its incredible potential in the fight against cancer. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Studies have shown that curcumin has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and even anti-cancer properties. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Cancer cells are notorious for their ability to grow uncontrollably and evade destruction. Curcumin, however, disrupts this process in several ways. It inhibits the growth of new blood vessels that tumors need to thrive, triggers apoptosis, which is a fancy word for programmed cell death, and prevents the spread of cancer to other parts of the body. Impressive, right? But before you start sprinkling turmeric on everything, let's talk about how to use it effectively. First, a little turmeric goes a long way. Aim for about 1 teaspoon per day in your meals. But here's the trick. Combine it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. One of my favorite ways to enjoy turmeric is by making golden milk. It's a comforting drink made with milk, turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of honey. While turmeric shows great promise, it's important to note that it's not a standalone cure for cancer. However, it can be a valuable part of a healthy diet that supports overall wellness. Always consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're undergoing cancer treatment. Key takeaway, so there you have it. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a superhero in disguise. Whether you add it to your curries, smoothies, or morning latte, this golden spice can help boost your health in incredible ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life.